Alright gang, if you've been watching Around the Hood in 8 Minutes, the other show that I'm doing for Frantic TV, you probably saw my Tribeca episode, and I saw something cool when I was filming that. It looks like, if you're familiar with Chicago has like that bean in Millennium Park or whatever that park is, and it's just a really cool reflective shape of a bean, and it has become kind of like a photographer mainstay for people who visit Chicago. Well, there's one down here in Tribeca, and it's sort of, I mean, it looks a little bit different shape than a bean, maybe like 3 bumps to the bean instead of 2. You know, I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, I'm gonna ride down there and get some photos of it with the zoos and see how they turn out. So right now I'm on Houston Street going west. Gonna make a left on Broadway, take that right down into the heart of Tribeca. And I got the arrow. Oh, maybe not. Gonna go anyway. It's a little breezy out today, but it is beautiful. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. All the dads that are watching, enjoy the day. Hope you're having a nice steak or something. So I'm not far. Once I cross over Canal, I'll be in Tribeca. And then it'll just be pretty close from there. The roads have been crazy lately. Just before I turned on the video camera, before I turned on the GoPro, another person cutting across 2 lanes of traffic to do an illegal U-turn. And then a second later they did it again and went back the other way, like they made a big circle, just like that idiot that almost hit me that time. So you got to stay really alert. You riding here, you gotta wear your helmet, you gotta stay alert, you gotta have your hands ready to go on the brakes. It's crazy. All right, just leaving Soho now, about to cross Canal Street and get into Tribeca. So I don't know if you guys have seen, Zoos has a new full suspension model that dropped. Our thoughts were confirmed. It is a full suspension, front and rear, but it still has the same shape as the standard Zoos. It's a beautiful looking bike. Thicker tires with bulletproof Kevlar material lining the inside. 3.2 inches wide on a new 3-inch rim. They look insane. I cannot wait to try it, and you can bet your ass I'm gonna get one. I just gotta find out where to put it. I'm running out of room. I got no space left in my living room. Bike room in my building has like a multiple year-long wait to get a spot. So I don't know, I might have to store my current Zoos. We'll see. All right, but we're almost here. I see that shiny bean looking thing up there. Here it is. This is pretty cool.